One day, a man heard a voice speaking to a cloud. "O cloud, go and rain on the land of a certain person." The man was surprised and decided to follow the cloud. To his amazement, the cloud moved towards a specific piece of land and rained only there. Curious, he went to the owner of that land and asked, "What is your name?" The landowner, puzzled, replied, "Why do you ask?" But the man insisted, "I ask you in the name of Allah. Please tell me your name." The landowner said, "My name is so and so." It was the same name the voice has called out to the cloud. The man then asked, "What do you do with your land?" "I heard a voice ordering the cloud to rain on your land specifically." The landowner smiled and said, "Since you asked, I will tell you. I divide my harvest into three parts. One third I keep for myself and for my family. One third I reinvest in my land so it continues to produce. And one third I give to the poor and needy people." Allah is very generous, and He loves to see His blessing reflected in the lives of His servant. Taking care of your family, spending wisely on yourself, and helping those in need. This is how we show gratitude for Allah's blessings. Remember, one day we will be asked, where do you earn your wealth and how did you spend it? So be prepared.